Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to see your Afterpay card number in 2025. If you're using Afterpay for your shopping needs, you know it's a game changer for buy now pay later options. But what if you need to access your card details quickly for a purchase or to add it to another app? Don't worry. I've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Afterpay app installed on your phone, as 2025 might bring some updates for better security. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're on a computer, head to the Afterpay website and sign in there. It's just as easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Cards section. This is usually found in the main menu, often represented by an icon that looks like a credit card. Tap on it, and you'll see your Afterpay virtual card details. Now, here's a key point. For security reasons, the full card number might be partially hidden. To reveal it, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve entering a PIN, using biometric authentication like your fingerprint or Face ID, or even answering a security question. After verification, your card number should appear on screen. Take a screenshot if you need it for reference, but remember to handle this information securely to avoid any risks. If you're having trouble, double-check that your app is updated, as Afterpay often rolls out new features in 2025 to enhance user experience. And there you have it. That's how you view your Afterpay card number. This process is straightforward and keeps your info safe. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.